Numbers up to 20. Hi kids! We have another great adventure. We will be learning about numbers up to 20.
This is the number 10. 10. 10 fish. This is the number 11. 11. 11 fish. This is the number 12. 12. 12 fish. This is the number 13. 13. 13 fish. This is the number 14. 14. 14 fish. This is the number 15. 15. 15 fish. This is the number 16. 16. 16 fish. This is the number 17. 17. 17 fish. This is the number 18. 18. 18 fish. This is the number 19. 19. 19 fish. This is the number 20. 20. 20 fish.
I bet you can do it on your own now. Wanna try?
Trace the number.
Super duper!
Trace the number. $11.
That's it!
Trace the number. $12.
Well done!
Trace the number. $13.
Good thinking!
Find the number. 15. 15. 15. 15. Find the number. 11. 11. 11. 11. Find the number. 12. 12. 12. 12. Find the number. 17. 17. 17. 17.
Super!
Which number is different?
Great!
Which number is different?
Excellent!
Follow the numbers from 11 to 20 to escape the maze.
You did it!
Follow the numbers from 11 to 20 to escape the maze.
Awesome!
Color the dresses. Red, green, pink.
Good thinking!
Color the lollipops. Green, blue, Red.
Cool!
Color the macaroons. Green. Blue. Red.
That's right!
Find the number 14. 14. 14. 14. Find the number 19. 19. 19. 19. Find the number 10. 10. 10. 10. Find the number 20. 20. 20. 20.
Excellent!
Color the gift boxes. Red. Green. Pink.
You did it!
Color the macaroons. Pink. Green. Red.
Awesome!
Follow the numbers from 11 to 20 to escape the maze.
Super! Let's play a game!
Catch fireflies. Put the fireflies into the correct bowls that match. 14, 16, 18, 20, 16, 14, 14, 18, 20, 20, 16, 18,